Love Kitchen and I am Pradnya. And today we have got something new for this year. Jokes apart, today we are going to make a very delicious and mouth-watering recipe, that is pasta in white sauce. If you like the recipe, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for such many more recipes. So now let's get started.
So first take some boiling water or water to boil and cook the pasta and just add 1 cup of pasta of your choice. Using macaroni goes well with white sauce. So cook it 95%. It's soft and nice. So 5% will be cooked in sauce. It's nice and hot. So then drain it out by a sieve or anything that you have. So if you are in the kitchen, then directly drain it out in your sink. Then add 1 teaspoon of oil on the macaroni and toss it well so that it will not stick. So you can see they are nice, softy, not soggy. So let's prepare the sauce. Before that, we'll saute onion and garlic. For that, take 1 teaspoon of butter. You can use oil or ghee, but butter goes well in this recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic or 2 to 5 cloves of garlic and 1 medium sized chopped onion. So you can just roughly chop it and saute it till it is brown and remove it in other container. And in the same pan, because the taste of onion and garlic goes well, add 3 tablespoons of butter. You can just skip the butter and add oil or ghee, but don't skip the butter because it's a nice combination. Then add 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour and just whisk it till it lump free and the maida gets cooked. Then add 1.5 cup of milk and don't forget to whisk while adding milk continuously. You should whisk it continuously when you add milk, otherwise the mixture will be so lumpy. If it will get lumpy, then just whisk it till it becomes nice mixture, and then whisk it till we get nice thick sauce. And then add 2 cheese cubes. These are processed cheese cube. You can use mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, any cheese that you have, or you can also use cheese, and whisk it well. So we whisk it well till we get nice thick sauce. Sauce gets totally cooked. So you can see how nice sauce we have got here. Now add the tossed onion and garlic, sauteed onion and garlic, and mix it well. And then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, or you can use oregano spice mix, and then add salt as per taste and a pinch of red chili powder, just slight spiciness I love, so you can skip red chili powder if you don't want, or a paprika, you can also use paprika. Then mix it well and add pasta to it. So add pasta to it and mix it well, and now you can cook this for 1 minute or 2 minutes is okay, so that pasta will absorb the sauce and it will get more nice saucy pasta. I love pasta in white sauce. Equally I love pasta in red sauce. The recipe will be soon on the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. Now cover it and cook it for 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. So when you see it's done, then it's done and nice saucy pasta is ready. It's time to serve and have a hot bite of pasta in white sauce. So I hope you like this recipe. This is really a tasty recipe. Then add some cheese on top and oregano. You can add parsley, coriander, anything that you want, and it's ready to eat. I hope you like the recipe. The pasta is really tasty Do give it a try.